Why do we yawn and why is it so contagious? You'd think it's just about being tired or bored, but here's the wild part. Yawning actually helps cool your brain. When you're tired or stressed, your brain heats up and yawning increases blood flow and brings in a rush of cool air to bring the temp down. Why is it contagious? Scientists think it's tied to empathy. Seeing someone yawn triggers the same part of your brain that makes you mirror emotions. So the next time you catch yourself yawning, just blame your brain for being too hot or too empathetic. I'm Taylor. Drop your wildest questions in the comments and hit subscribe for new videos every day.